Hi everybody, I wanted to make a quick video about my new workshop called the 7 Directions. So I went outside and, want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. Big black clouds came and it started storming. So you may hear thunder in the background. But nature's wanting to engage as I make this video, and that's really beautiful because that's what the 7 Directions are about. It's about us connecting with nature. Yes, using Andean medicine as using their rites and their practices and experiencing their ceremony so that you can get a taste of what Andean medicine has to offer you. Yes. So another way of putting this workshop is that it's an upgrade on the Moneki. Many of you have heard of Moneki, or maybe you received Moneki from me many, many years ago. But as you know, the Moneki is very controversial. Yes, it's designed by a Westerner and is quite disrespectful to the Keros and where it comes from. And of course, for me, over the years that I have been training with the Keros directly, receiving rites from them and learning practices and discovering every day the authenticity and the power that is in the authenticity. I can't offer them Moneki anymore. I need to take it to the next step because I know it will serve you. Yes, so I've put the 7 directions together so that you can walk away with a lot more. Yes, so this is going to offer you rites. Yes, it gives you a way of interacting with nature, discovering allies that you have in the cosmos around you, and they support us to heal and transform. It's a very, very rich relationship that we can open up to from receiving rites or transmissions. Yes, you're also going to learn practices on this workshop that will return you to wholeness with Pachamama, and it's going to offer you an experience, all right, an embodied experience of what sacred space is like, and also what it's like to be in ceremony, in an Andean way, of course, yes. So this workshop's going to be online. Yes, I know for some of you, you're tired of being online, but it is the best way. My teacher has taught me how to be bi-local, yes. I promise you, you will receive the benefits whether you are in the room with me or you are in your own space and receiving these rites and these practices. You'll be able to feel the sacred space. It doesn't matter where you are. Yes, right now I have clients and participants that are all over the world, in Brazil, in Scandinavia. There are people all over the world doing this training with me. It doesn't matter where you are. Yes, so the 7 directions of rites and practices and ceremony will be online. And I hope that you will come and join me. Yes, come and join me for a very light, informative workshop. Discover the beauty that Andean medicine has to offer you, to integrate you with nature and to help you connect with your heart. I'm going to post the link above with all the event information because there's one coming up in a few weeks. I hope that you will join me, and if you have any questions, please comment below or contact me. I look forward to having you join me and me introducing you to this really beautiful art of the Andean medicine. And if you are a beginner or we haven't met yet, my name is Karen Weinman. My website is misskiani.com. I'm on social media in all kinds of ways. I have a mail run that I send out regularly. Come and join me. I'll put all the information up in the blurb above so that you can connect, and I look forward to hearing from you. Ciao for now.